currently employed as a pilot by WestJet Airlines and is second-generation military pilot. His father flew Spitfires and Hellcats for the Fleet Air Arm of the Royal Navy during World War II. Seeing action on D-Day as we celebrate the 68th anniversary here today, and then in the Pacific until VJ Day. In the early 1950s, Canadair Limited of Montreal manufactured over 1,800 Sabres, of which almost 1,200 were delivered to the RCAF to serve in Canada and Europe. At its peak, Canada operated 12 Sabre squadrons in Europe across 4 wings in Britain, France, and Germany, in addition to 6 auxiliary squadrons in Canada.
Tous les sabres fabriqués au Canada ont été à l'usine North American de Canadair située à Cartierville près de Montréal. De 1951 à 52, Canadair a fabriqué 350 Sabre 2 pour la Royal Canadian Air Force. 6 versions de l'appareil ont été fabriquées à Cartierville. Au total, 1815 appareils Sabre sont sortis de cette usine Canadair.
Look carefully, you'll see the canopy is open and Woody is giving you a big wave, everybody, because he's waving to you through the open canopy in the dirty path.